Today we'll show you how to create a good high converting landing page for your CPA and affiliate offer. What are the things you need to remember before creating the landing page? What are the tools you need to use? We'll show you everything step by step. If you want to know what is a landing page, I have already made a video on this topic. If you haven't watched that video, you can check the link in description to watch that video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we start creating the landing page for our offer, let's choose the offer that we are going to create the landing page for. So let's say for example that we want to promote this offer, My Lead Gen Secret, and the payout for this offer is $80 and the EPC is 24 cents. So let's just open this offer and you can see here the offer is, and it's a credit card submit offer, $80 per lead. So now let me show you the landing page of this offer. So you can see the landing page of the offer. It says want my secret to making money online, and you can see here the landing page of the offer. It looks pretty good. It's neat and clean. So let's say we want to promote this offer, and we want to promote this offer using the email list because it's a sale offer. It's a $80 sale offer. So we won't be promoting it directly. So we want to capture the emails, and using that email list, we are going to promote this offer. So now let me tell you about the tool that we are going to use today to create our landing page. So the name of the tool is builderall.com. So what is Builderall? Builderall is basically a tool that you can use to create your landing pages, chatbot and automation, and also you can use it for email marketing. One thing I want to tell you that it doesn't matter that what software or tool you have used to create your landing page. What matters is what landing page you have created. If you have created a good landing page, it's going to convert no matter what software or tool you are using. But let's say your landing page is not good, so it's not going to convert even if you are using the top level software or website to create your landing pages. So you don't have to focus on which landing page builder you are using. You have to always focus on how you are creating your landing pages. So now let me just log in into my Builderall account. So I've logged into my Builderall account the same way you have to also log in. So once you log in, you have to head over to Cheetah Website Builder and you have to click on this enter button. And after that, you have to click on this create new site button. And then it will give you two options, professional template or smart template. We want professional template. So you have to click on choose. Then it will give you a dozen of templates that you can choose to create your landing pages. Like if you want to create a cosmetic landing page, you can choose here from cosmetic funnel pages. If you want to create a health and fitness, then you can choose this option. If you want to create a course page, then you can choose this. So there are many templates that you can choose to create your landing page, but we don't want to choose any template. We want to create a landing page from scratch. So let's click on the blank option, and then you have to select this and click on select this button, and then you have to click on the save button. So now you can see the landing page editor has been opened and it's completely blank. So the first step is that we have to replace the background, and we have to replace it to something like the image of a beach or something like that, because our offer is a make money online offer. And if you see on the landing page, here is also an image of a beach. So we want to create the relevancy between our landing page and the offer landing page. So let's go on Google and search here beach images. Let's just search it and go to images. And you can see here, here's the image of a beach, and you can see this image also, this image also. Let's say we want to choose this image, so you have to click on this, or let's say we select this image. Let's just save it. And once you have saved this image, you have to hover back on your landing page editor, and then you have to right click on your mouse, and then you have to scroll down and you will see background settings button, and you have to click on this, and you have to scroll down and you have to click on this change image, and then you have to choose the image and just click on the save button. So now you can see the background has been changed to the image that we have saved. And now we have to add the text over this image. So what you have to do, you have to click on this button, and first let's click on this box and just choose this box. Let's make it little wide, a little more wide, and let's change the color of this box. You have to right click and then go to background settings, and you have to click on this, and let's choose something gray, and let's decrease the transparency of this to something like this. So now you can see we have created a box and which is little transparent, and now we want to add the text over this box. So what you have to do, you have to click on this arrow button over here and then click on return and then choose text, and then choose headline 2. Let's just place it again. So now it's in center and you can see here's our text. So let's just change it. So as we are promoting a make money online offer, we want to use a text that's related to make money online, and it should create the curiosity at the same time, because if it will create the curiosity, then only we will get the name and email address of the user. If it fails to create the curiosity, the user is not going to give us his name or email address. So the first step is that we have to write a text that creates curiosity. So we can write something like this. Discover how you can get paid massive autopilot commissions. Let's just make it big. And now let's add of $20. $50, $200 or even $500 every single day. Let's change this to red color, and it's not red. Let's click on more colors. We want to choose red. Let's make it little less wide. Let's align with the center. Let's decrease the transparency of this box by right clicking and going to background setting. Let's reduce the transparency of this. And you can see here we have written discover how you can get paid massive autopilot commissions of $20, $50, $200 or even $500 every single day. So this is our headline. So now let's add the sub headline. To create the sub headline, just click on this arrow button and let's choose title headline 3. It's misplaced again. Let's just align it again. And now we can change it to yes, we will do all the selling so you get massive commission. And let's make it little wide, and we have to reduce the size of this. Let's reduce the size of 24 and make it italic, and we want to make it red, so choose this and let's add it here. And now comes the last part of creating this landing page, is that we have to create a opt-in form where the user can add their name and email address or other information, and we can use that information to create our email list, and then we can send them emails to promote our offer, that is lead gen secret offer. So to create the opt-in form, what you have to do, you have to again click on this arrow button and you have to go on return, and here you will see option to create your email form that says email marketing form. You have to click on this button, and after that you will see here a bunch of template. Let's say we want to use this one, so you have to click on this, and now you can see the email form has been added. Let's make it little wide and let's just align it with the center. And now you can see here's written email. It means that the user can add their email address, and once they click on register now button, the email will be automatically added in your email marketing autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber or ConvertToKit or any other that you are using. So this was a complete process to create the landing page. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.